Namaste. The question is, can yoga treat some critical disease like asthma? The answer is yes. It can treat if the asthma is in the primary stage, or if you start practicing yoga with a particular yoga pose known as Bhujanga Asana as a prophylaxis, then you will never have asthma. So today I will teach you how to do Bhujangasana for beginners, for daily practice, and to reduce this belly fat. Some people have some fat here, these sides. So there are 3 different poses within the Bhujangasana. So I will teach you how to do each of them. So let's start. First one for the beginners. Lie down on your stomach. Your chin touch the floor. Your palm and your elbow both touch the floor. Your feet should be straight and stretched like this. And then inhale, exhale, and inhale. And uprise your chest. Your focus should be in between your eyes, or you can close your eyes. Just hold the position. The time for how long you can hold your breath. Then exhale. While exhaling, and then make a pillow of your hands and relax. So this was the yoga posture Bhujanga Asana for the beginners. Now for daily practice, the same thing, your leg should be straight and stretched. Your palm touches the floor adjacent to your shoulders. Your elbow not touch the floor this time. Your chin touching the floor. Now inhale, exhale, and then while inhaling, upraise your chest, and now your body is like the snake hood. So that's why this posture is known as Bhujanga Asana. Focus in between your eyes. Hold the position. And remember, your shoulders should not be close to your ears like this. No. It should be like this, apart from your ears. Hold the posture. Minimum 30 seconds. And then while exhaling, release the posture. Again, make a pillow with your hands and relax. In the third posture, your chin touching the floor, palm touching the floor, elbow not touching the floor, and your feet not straight but your toes touching the floor. Now again inhale, exhale, inhale. Now while exhaling, rotate your neck and try to see your right ankle. Then again inhale, hold the posture, exhaling. Now inhale, exhale. While inhaling, this time turn your neck towards the left and try to see left ankle. Again inhaling, hold the posture and exhaling. Make a pillow of your hands, relax your feet and whole body relaxed. So this was the Bhujanga Asana. The counter pose for Bhujanga Asana is the Balasana. The video for Balasana we already made and it is uploaded. The precautions: pregnant women do not perform or do not practice Bhujangasana. The people who have any kind of surgery do not practice Bhujangasana. So, with this Bhujangasana, you can treat asthma, because when you are upraising your body like the snake hood, you inhale and store the air, oxygen in your lungs that open the bronchioles like this. So it is a best treatment for the asthma. The people who are in the initial stage must go for this, and those who don't want to become an asthmatic patient, so just start from today. Bhujangasana. The third variant of the Bhujangasana is particularly meant to reduce the belly fat. Moreover, all the postures, they are not only for the treatment of asthma but also is used for the weight loss. With the Bhujangasana, your shoulders, your arms, your thighs, your stomach, extra fat is reduced very fast. So this was all about the Bhujangasana. If you like the video, then press the like button, subscribe the video and share with your friends and family members to get more benefit. Namaste.